Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make this long sleeve turtleneck that I was inspired by from ACNE Studios, Richard Quinn, and Marine Serre. So what you're going to need is a knit fabric that is actually pretty sheer. I had this for a while and I honestly didn't know what to do with it. I don't know why I bought it in the first place, but now it's gonna be great. So you're gonna need a potato, some sort of sharp tool that you could kind of create a shape with, some paintbrush, a well-fitted top, and a couple more things. Alright, so the first step is you're going to lay flat your turtleneck top and trace the front part of the body. Alright, cool. So what you're going to want to do is lay the front and back pieces on top of each other and double check that they match up. So your sleeve is going to look something like this. You're going to trace one side and flip it over and then trace the other side. Okay, so I'm going to add seam allowance to both of the sides and the bottom. So what you're going to do first is sew the shoulder seam and the side seams of the front and back pieces together. So then next you want to sew the sleeves. Take one and fold it in half this way. And so for the turtleneck you're going to fold it in half and sew 1/4 inch that way. And then you're going to attach it to the neckline and also attach the sewn sleeve. And look at that, now you have a star stamp.